Of course. So,
may I call on Miss Chi A. Santos to help us with awarding the Everstar Barbie and Everstar Ken. Okay, Miss Chi, andito po ba kayo? Alright.
So, ito na. Talagang hindi na naman kakasubukan.
Okay, dito muna tayo sa our Everstar Barbie. So, ibig sabihin, girl. Contestant number 9. Congratulations kay our Everstar Barbie. Yes. Beauty Queen of Beauty Queen, si Kate.
Congratulations.